Apple's first foldable iPhone is getting closer to launch, and while most of the attention has been on its design, display, and hardware, a new leak is focusing on something much simpler but surprisingly important: the color options. According to recent reports, Apple still hasn't finalized the colors for the upcoming iPhone Ultra, and if the latest rumors are accurate, the company may end up repeating one of the biggest mistakes many fans believe it made with the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. The issue is simple: there may not be a black version of the iPhone Ultra. A new claim from well-known Weibo leaker Instant Digital suggests that Apple is still deciding which colors will be available for its first foldable phone. The leak says there is a real possibility that the iPhone Ultra could launch without any black color option. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, the report suggests that Apple is considering other colors instead. One possibility is a blue version that could serve as the darkest color in the lineup. But for many Apple fans, blue is not the same as having a true black or dark gray option. What makes this rumor even more interesting is the timing. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone Ultra in early September, with sales likely starting 1 or 2 weeks later. At this stage, production preparations should already be in full swing. That's why many people are surprised that Apple may still be deciding something as basic as color options. For a normal smartphone, that would already seem unusual. But for Apple's first foldable iPhone, a device that has reportedly been in development for years, it's even more surprising. Recent leaks have consistently suggested that the iPhone Ultra will have a limited number of color choices. Earlier reports claimed there would be only 2 colors, with white being one of them. More recent rumors suggest Apple could increase that number to 3. According to those reports, the possible colors include white, silver, and indigo. Once again, none of these options include black. The one color that appears almost guaranteed is white. Several leaks have pointed to a white version, and a photo shared by reliable leaker Ice Universe supposedly showed a white iPhone Ultra prototype. If those reports are accurate, white will likely be one of the launch colors. The reason this topic is generating so much discussion is because Apple recently faced criticism over a similar decision. Last year, the iPhone 17 Pro launched in silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. For the first time in years, there was no traditional black or dark gray option in the Pro lineup. Many Apple fans were unhappy with that decision. Across social media and online forums, users questioned why Apple removed what has always been one of its most popular color choices. Some people called the new colors too flashy, while others simply wanted a classic professional look. Although the color controversy eventually faded, it remained one of the most talked about aspects of the iPhone 17 Pro launch. That's why some fans are worried Apple could be heading down the same path with the iPhone Ultra. Of course, color options may seem like a minor detail compared to folding displays, advanced cameras, or powerful processors. But when people spend around $2,000 or more on a premium smartphone, they want a device that matches their personal style. For many buyers, black remains the safest and most timeless choice. It's simple, elegant, and works in almost every situation. Removing that option could push some customers toward colors they never really wanted. At the same time, Apple has often preferred a more limited color strategy for entirely new products. Back in 2017, when the company launched the iPhone X, buyers only had 2 choices: silver and space gray. Apple focused attention on the new design and technology instead of offering a wide range of colors. The company may be taking a similar approach with the iPhone Ultra. Since this is Apple's first foldable device, the focus will likely be on the folding display, hinge design, software experience, and overall durability. In fact, Apple would probably be happy if color choices became the biggest complaint after launch. That would mean the hardware, software, and folding technology are all working as expected. For now, the final color lineup remains a mystery. White seems almost certain, while silver and indigo are also rumored. Whether Apple eventually adds a black version is something we'll likely learn very soon. As launch day gets closer, all eyes are on the iPhone Ultra. Not just because it's Apple's first foldable phone, but because every detail matters when introducing an entirely new product category. And surprisingly, one of the biggest questions right now isn't about the display or the cameras. It's simply what color the phone will be.